This AI system is generating €300 per day in passive income. With no clients, no social media, and no paid ads. It's fully automated, and beginners are quietly using it to build digital assets that make money while they sleep. Let me show you exactly how it works, and how you can launch your own in under an hour. The system runs on 4 powerful, beginner-friendly tools that streamline your workflow and maximize efficiency. First, Koala.sh. This tool uses AI to generate full blog articles that are SEO optimized and monetizable. With just a few clicks, you can create engaging content tailored to your audience's needs. Koala.sh ensures that your articles are not only informative but also rank well on search engines, driving more traffic to your site. Second, Bing Image Creator. Use this to generate AI visuals for your articles, like product images, guides, or even featured headers. High-quality visuals are crucial for capturing your readers' attention and making your content more appealing. Bing Image Creator allows you to produce stunning images that complement your text and enhance the overall user experience. Third, WordPress. This is where your AI-generated content lives. Use a fast, lightweight theme like GeneratePress or Astra. These themes are optimized for speed and performance, ensuring that your site loads quickly and provides a seamless experience for your visitors. Customizing your WordPress site is easy, allowing you to create a professional-looking blog without any coding knowledge. Fourth, affiliate links. Get them from Amazon, Bol.com, Coolblue, or any niche-specific platform. Integrating affiliate links into your content is a great way to monetize your blog. By promoting products relevant to your audience, you can earn commissions on sales generated through your links. This not only adds value to your readers, but also provides a steady stream of income for your blog. You now have an AI-powered blog that can rank on Google and earn passive income. Here's how it works. You use Koala to generate 1 SEO article per day. It takes 5 minutes. Koala's advanced algorithms ensure that the content is optimized for search engines, making it easier for your blog to rank higher on Google. You add 1 to 2 AI-generated images with Bing, done in 1 minute. These images not only make your blog posts visually appealing but also help in breaking up the text, making it more engaging for readers. Then you schedule the post inside WordPress using a free plugin like WP Scheduled Posts. That's it. This plugin allows you to plan your content calendar efficiently, ensuring that your blog is consistently updated with fresh content. Repeat this process daily or weekly, and let your content pile up. Over time, you'll build a substantial library of articles that can attract a steady stream of visitors. You're building a blog empire. With each new post, your blog's authority and reach grow, bringing in more traffic and potential revenue. Quietly, with AI. The beauty of this system is that it operates in the background, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your business or personal life. The goal is 50 to 100 articles in the next 60 days. By setting clear targets, you can measure your progress and stay motivated. Achieving this milestone will significantly boost your blog's visibility and income potential. Let's talk numbers. Each article you publish has the potential to make €1 to €10 per day, depending on your niche and traffic. Imagine the possibilities when you start scaling up. With consistent effort and strategic planning, you can significantly increase your earnings over time. 50 articles generating €3 per day each equals €150 per day. This is just the beginning. As you continue to produce quality content, your earnings can grow exponentially. 100 articles equals €300 per day, all on autopilot. Some will underperform. Others will go viral. The key is consistency and understanding your audience. By analyzing which topics resonate most, you can tailor your content strategy to maximize your earnings. But this system doesn't require ads, followers, or even trust. You don't need to worry about building a massive social media following or gaining the trust of a large audience. The focus is purely on creating valuable content that attracts organic traffic. Just traffic, good content, and strong affiliate links. By integrating affiliate marketing into your articles, you can create multiple streams of income. Each piece of content becomes a potential revenue generator, and it scales without you. Once your system is in place, it runs on autopilot, allowing you to focus on other projects or simply enjoy your free time. The more you invest in creating quality content, the more your earnings can grow, all while you sit back and watch your digital assets work for you. This is how modern creators are using AI to print passive income in 2025. Want to learn the exact blog setup I use? Comment Blogstack below, and don't forget to subscribe. We drop full AI income systems every week here on Stacked Viision. Build once, earn daily. Let's go.